It's buried deep, Emma.
Wait, look at this text. City of Police.
Oh, the light bar is a complete ruin.
The smell is terrible.
It's a complete disaster, but we have to save it. The project of our lives begins today. Trying to find a solid hook point in all this sludge.
It's moving. Careful, Jack.
Going up. She's heavier than she looks. Ah! Almost there, little guy.
First, last few feet, time to face the mess.
Right.
Step 1, get the decades of garbage off.
Time for a bath, old timer. Gain to knee. Time for a bath, old timer. Whoosh! Esploosh! Esploosh!
Gotta get into these nooks.
This is decades of caked-on filth.
See water metal now. At least we can see the metal now.
Oh, God, this thing is really on there.
Finally. Come on.
This interior is completely trashed. We are taking it down to the frame.
Okay, chains are secure.
Starting to lift.
Slow and steady. She's moving.
Clear the mounts. Nice work.
Keep it steady. Watch your side.
Okay, got it. Slowly now.
Just a little further.
The interceptor engine is out. Now for the rust.
The Vice City colors are gone. Now we fix the steel.
The Vice City colors are gone. Now we fix the steel.
This old cop car took a beating. Lots of cutting to do. The bad metal is completely gone.
Okay, that's the long strip cut.
All right, ready for the break. Let's make this bend perfect. All right, perfect, just like the blueprint.
Now to clean up the edges.
Making those sharp 80s body lines is tough, but we nailed it.
All right, straight down the line.
Perfect, right under the clamp.
Just a little more pressure.
Easy now, don't want to overbend. Almost there.
Just need to flatten this edge perfectly.
Making those sharp 80s body lines is tough, but we nailed it. Keep it steady. Good. Just a little more. The steel is solid again, ready for bodywork.
Time to mix this mud. Just getting this first coat on here.
The time-lapse captures our aggressive sanding to maintain those 80s boxy lines.
The boxy body lines are razor sharp, ready for primer.
Almost done with these drop cloths.
Check 1, check 2. Is this thing on?
It's a massive car, but the canvas is perfect.
Okay, primer is speed painting.
That is the exact Vice City police color. Unbelievable. Measure from the edge of the door frame.
No, measure from the center of the badge.
Okay, heck. Okay, look straight now.
Let's roll it out.
All right, the block is done. Now for the upgrades.
Perfect.
All right, the block is done. Now for the upgrades.
Perfect.
Line up the camshaft, making sure it slides smoothly into the bearings. Now, gently tap the piston with the wooden handle until it sets in the freshly honed cylinder.
The Interceptor engine is built like a tank.
All right, these new coils are massive.
Make sure those bolts are tight, Jack. This is the heavy-duty stuff. All right, perfect fit.
Whoa.
Just need to torque these down tight. It's got cop tires, cop suspension, cop shocks. All right, slowly does it, Jack.
Whoa.
Easy there.
Just a little higher. Perfect. All right, hold it steady.
Watching the fender.
Just a little
Slowly.
back. Just a little more.
Perfect. It's in.
Got it. Almost there. Mhm.
Just one more. All right.
The Interceptor heart is back where it belongs.
All right, this heavy duty mat is going in.
Okay, now for this bench seat. It's heavier than it looks. Just need to bolt it down and we're good to go. Almost done. This thing isn't going anywhere. Got the radio mounted. Just need to test it.
Interior is all business, ready for patrol.
Keep it tight, Jenny. Don't worry, Jack. It's not going anywhere.
Almost got it. Just one more tight pull. Looks solid, Jack. Ready for anything.
All right, easy does it.
Just a little more to the left.
Vice City PD is back on patrol.